Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first cooking video and today I will be showing you guys how to make Monaco topping. Here I have taken Monaco biscuit. I have made a sauce with ketchup, mayo and chili powder, some onion, coriander, small cubes of cheese, chaat masala, oregano and chili flakes for seasoning. So let's begin. First, I will be adding the sauce on the biscuits. Try not to add too much or it will get soggy and you will only feel the taste of the sauce. Now I am adding some onion. I have taken a small onion and cut it into straight pieces. I am adding coriander leaves. Small cubes of cheese. I'm using Milky Mist cheese. I'm spreading some oregano. You can also use shredded cheese or cut slices of cheese into pieces. Here I'm using chili flakes. This is completely optional for seasoning. You can add anything else as per your taste. Here I'm adding chaat masala, the main ingredient for the nice taste. So you can enjoy this in the evening or between breakfast and lunch. This is a very good snack. Our dish is ready. So let's show this to my mom. This was a surprise. So let's hear reaction. She loved it. It was very tasty. You can see her reaction. She enjoyed it very much. So let me try this recipe of mine. It was very tasty. This is a very good evening snack. It was very tasty and very delicious. Do try this out and tell me in the comment section what type of Monaco toppings do you put for your snack. So I'm going to put the ingredient list in the description box. Do check it out. Do try this recipe and tell me in the comment sections how did you like it. So hope you like this video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.